Hello friends, in this video we will learn about house vocabulary. Rooms in the house, house objects and furniture.
Living room. Wall. Floor. Carpet. Sofa. Armchair. Table. Side table. Statue. Clock. Floor lamp. Plant. Painting. Television. Television cabinet. Speaker. Remote. Wall lamp. Fireplace. Fireplace tools. Decoration shelf. Picture. Air conditioner. Bedroom. Bed. Blanket. Pillow. Beside table. Table lamp. Alarm clock. Rug. Poster. Drawer. Wardrobe. Shelf. Dressing table. Ottoman. Bathroom. Shower. Toilet. Toilet paper. Bathtub. Sink. Liquid soap. Mirror. Towel. Shelf. Curtain. Bath mat. Toilet brush. Plunger. Toothbrush. Study room. Corkboard. Desk. Chair. Keyboard. Mouse. Monitor. Printer. Drawer. Globe. Lamp. Clock. Calendar. Chandelier. Shelf. Books. Pens. Clipboard. File. Waste bin. Laundry room. Washing machine. Laundry. Ironing board. Iron. Laundry basket. Washboard. Mop. Vacuum cleaner. Broom. Dustpan. Kitchen. Sink. Dishwasher. Stove. Oven. Microwave. Range hood. Refrigerator. Cabinet. Dish cabinet. Pot. Kettle. Kitchen tools. Pan. Glass hanger. Dishes. Counter. Blender. Chopping board. Knife. Sauces. Table. Chair. Rug. Oven glove. Napkin. Plate. Spoon. Fork. Glass. Tray. Baking tray. Soup ladle. Egg beater. Pepper mill. Bowl. toaster,